Welcome to 1PrimeOptions. In this video, we will teach you how to activate the double authentication code in your account. Although first, we will explain it to you precisely. What is a double authentication code? As its name says, it is a code that allows us greater security when logging into your 1PrimeOptions account, which we can obtain in different ways such as text message, applications, or email. Its acronym is 2FA. In our case, we will use a sophisticated app named Authenticator. We are ready now. Let's activate our 2FA code in 1PrimeOptions. Go to our website, 1PrimeOptions.com, and log in to your real account. Once you are in the My Account section, go to Personal Data and select the Change Password option. Select the Enable button and use your favorite tool for double authentication from your cell phone. If you don't have a double authentication app, we recommend Authy or Google Authenticator. Scan the QR code that appears on the screen, then enter the code provided by the authentication tool. Your code will have been successfully activated. Trader, remember that every time you log in, you must enter this code right after entering your password.